Hello guys, this is another Scratch video tutorial. Today we are going to be covering everything about the looks category. In my last video, I covered everything on the motions category, but today we are going to be focusing on the looks. Now when you open the looks category, this is the first block you will see. Say hello. You can change the dialogue by typing anything, like for instance, let's say yes for 2 seconds. Now it says yes. You can also increase the time it says this for like 9 seconds for slow readers who aren't that keen. This is the next block. Say hello. It's basically the same as this, but this has a timeline. Now I'm sure you've seen some animations where the dialogue has some form of bubbly like feature. For instance, this those two bubbles, those are created for like thinking. You can make it different things like to think or something like that. These two, like I said, are basically the same as this. Now switch costume to this block is designed to change costumes of the sprites. Now if the sprite has more costumes, like let's go to animals category. If he has this, you can change between these three anytime just by using this block and changing them. Now you can see it has changed to this sprite. If you want to change it back, you can always just tap it or add events. This next costume is very easy. It doesn't need code, just there's nothing that needs to be done. It just follows step by step. So this is another block. Switch backdrop to backdrop 1 or any backdrop. If you have other backdrops, like backdrops actually mean background, but in Scratch we can call it backdrops. Maybe you have a background like this. You can keep switching it and it changes. Then next backdrop, just like this next costume, it just step by step. Then the size of the sprite, you can change it by any amount, just keeps going higher and higher. Like for 30, you can see it keeps getting bigger the more I tap. Now size to 100%, like you can see the size here. Now it changes smaller. You can also change this, it varies to make the sprite bigger. Now this color effect doesn't actually have a certain color, but you can change it. Like for instance, this fish eye, you can see it's kind of funny. Changes the sprite. Well, just makes it tone, pixelate, like making all these animations. Like if you want to see how this looks without the fish eye effects and the world effects, you can just get another sprite. This color effect changes the color by 25. This is how this is how the pixelates blocks looks like. Now I'll just go and get another sprite. Then show, hide, clear graphic effects. Like if there's any problem with the graphics, you can just clear it, like to change it back. Let's see, it's a well. You can just clear all the effects just by tapping this. Then show and hide tools I love using in some of my games. Sprites can show, hide, like just fun to use. And these are pretty straightforward. So I'll see you in the next video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Share this with someone you know, and it will really help us. So bye.